Web GIS data management and loading. First, we enter Web GIS warehouse setting through the local version. Click the System Settings button. Click the Service Management button. Click the Warehouse Settings button. Now let's add some data. Click the Add button. When adding or editing data, a small red dot on the Return button indicates the unsaved status. Enter the address, change the name. After modifying type, click to Save Setting. The type cannot be empty. The name and address also cannot be empty. The data name must be unique. If the entered address fails to connect, a reminder will pop up when saving it. Some special characters are temporarily restricted. You will be notified if they are included in the address. Continue adding WMS, WMTS, and WFS data. Search by name or ID. Instant search according to the entered keywords. The Copy button will appear when you hover over the data ID. Create a new case and rename it. Drag a scene and wait for it to load. Click the Model button. Click the Web GIS button. Drag the model to the scene. Double-click the list. The scene camera automatically moves to locate the data display area. Scroll the scroll wheel to zoom in on the GIS model. Hide and display the data through the list. You can also toggle data visibility in the Upper Tools menu. Delete data from the Upper Tool menu. Drag the data into the scene again. You can see the effect of blocks loading. You can also double-click to view data from other locations. Click the list in the scenario outline to view the attribute page. You can change the names of your GIS models here. You can also move, rotate, and zoom the GIS data models here. When the model is misaligned with the digital twin base, you can correct the position by modifying the XYZ coordinates. When necessary, you can rotate and zoom to adjust the model. The GIS model and the regular model are displayed separately through drop-down menu options. When a corresponding address in the list fails to connect, it will show a reminder when your mouse hovers on it. If the current scenario was created from an old WDP version, a data is unavailable message will show up when the mouse hovers. There are two solutions to this problem. Solution 1, upgrade the case scene. Solution 2, create a new scene. Here's how to use Solution 1. Back to the case list. Click the More button, click the Check Upgrade button. Waiting for the upgrade to complete, find a copy case and enter the case. View the list again, and it will be available again. Attention, please use the upgrade case with caution, as the upgrade is to upgrade all the data in the case. So please create new scene whenever possible. After opening the scene, if there is an abnormal notice in the GIS model list in the scene outline. If you see connection failure when your mouse hover on it, there are two possibilities. First, the data URL connection failed. Second, the corresponding data table in the data warehouse is deleted. When the connection failure message appears, go to the list of models on the left. If the corresponding data does not exist, warehouse deleted. If the corresponding data exists, hover to notify connection failed. Because the URL connection failed. At this time, you need to confirm whether the data service that publishes the URL is normal. We support GIS data model view after the case is published. We also support exporting offline deployment packages after publishing. That is all for this video. Please check other videos to learn more.